Good morning, my dear students of class 6. Very warm welcome to this interactive session of mathematics. As you know that in the last video, we have discussed about the introduction of the number and comparing numbers. So we have gone through some topics just like the place values, what are the number, what are the digits, what are the place values, right? So after this, and in the last interactive session, we have also discussed about the Indian system of numeration. So in this video, we are going to solve the exercise 1.1. But before solving the exercise 1.1, we have to understand the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So before that exercise, we will discuss this topic very precisely. As you can see on the screen of board, I have made the system of Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. In this video, we will understand what is these systems, what are these systems. So both the systems I have prepared on the board for you very precisely. So let us take a look on the Indian system of numeration, right? So as you can see that I have made a table, right? This is the graph, or we can say this is the table, the short table in which we can easily understand what is exactly the Indian system of numeration, right? So you can see that on the first place I have written the groups, right? This period, you can see this period, this is known as the groups, and this period, that is known as the places of the numbers. And below that I have written a number, right? Just like you can see the digits are 6, 5, 3, 2, 7, 5, 8, 2 and 9. So these are the digits I have written on their places, right? So to understand this Indian system of numeration, what we have to do, first of all, we have to understand what are the groups. As you can see that there are the 4 groups, right? The first group is ones group, second group is thousand group, third group is lakhs, and fourth is crores. So in the Indian system of numeration, there are the 4 groups, and as in the first group, we can see there are 3 places. This is the ones place, tens place, hundred place. And this is the second group, that is the thousands group, and here we can see the 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. In the lakhs we can see the 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh, and at the last group, that is the group of crores, we can see there is also the 2 places, crore and 10 crore. So as you can see that 6, 5, 3, 2, 7, 5, 8, 2, 9. So how to read this number, how to write this number, we will learn is in this system. As for you, I have written the numeration of this given number, right? 65 crore, right? 65 crore 32 lakh 75,829, right? In this way I can read this number as according to Indian system of numeration. So how we can read that? So just see a precise introduction of that. So as you can see that when we read the Indian numbers, so we have to follow the way from right to left, right? We have to follow the direction of right to लेफ्ट. सो जब भी हम इंडियन सिस्टम में हम नंबर को पढ़ते हैं तो हमको राइट हैंड से शुरू करना होगा और लेफ्ट हैंड की तरफ जाना होगा. सो एज यू कैन सी दैट वी कम थ्रू द वंस ग्रुप, राइट? हम यहाँ से वंस ग्रुप से देखेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 9, सो वी कैन सी द प्लेस ऑफ 9, दैट इज द वंस, and the place of the 2, that is the tens, and the place of the 8 is 100, right? So simply we can see this, we can say this number 829, जो कि मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. सो हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, 829 का हम यहाँ पर एक ग्रुप बना देंगे. यहाँ पर मैंने जो नाम लिखा हुआ है इसमें मैंने 829 का एक ग्रुप बना दिया. नाउ वी कम टू द 1000 ग्रुप. तो 1000 ग्रुप में 1000 पोजीशन पे 5 है और 10,000 पोजीशन पे 7 है. सो वी कैन कॉल इट एज 75,000, राइट? सो 75,000 का मैं यहाँ पर एक अलग ग्रुप बना देता हूँ. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ग्रुप, this is 829, this is the first group, that is the ones group, and 75,000, that is the 1000 group, that is the second number, right? Now we can see the place of the 2, that is on the lakh, and that is the 10 lakh. So I can combinedly say that 32, right? अगर यहाँ पर 3 नहीं होता और सिर्फ 2 होता तो हम इसको 2 लाख बोलते, बट राइट नाउ देयर इज 3 and 2 बोथ आर प्रेजेंट, बोथ प्लेसेस आर फिल्ड, सो आई कैन कॉल इट एज 32 lakhs, राइट? तो हम यहाँ पर 32 lakhs का एक तीसरा ग्रुप यहाँ पर बना देंगे. At the last you can see the group of the crore. So on the position of crore there is 5 and on the position of 10 crore there is 6. So this is the reason 65 crore, right? So we can see that whenever we write the numeration of the number, we can also prepare the group according to this table, right? So in this way simply we can see that this number is 65 crore 32 lakh 75,829, right? So this is the numeration of the number. And here one thing you have to remember, whenever we write the bigger number we uses the comma, right? Why we use the comma? Because we can easily read that number when we apply the comma or the separator into that number. Just like this number I can write here, that is 6653275,829. This is our number, right? So in this number you can see that how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 digits are there. So this number in front of you, so how we use the commas? So there is the pattern we have to follow. First of all we have to put the comma after the 3 digits, right? 3 digit we count from the right hand side, 3 digit we count from the right hand side, just like first digit is 9, second is 2, third is 8. So here we put the comma, right? That is the separator. So 829 is separate from these numbers, right? Now then we have to put the comma after 5 and 7, after the 2 digits, and after 2 digit again I put the comma, right? So this is the way I have put it the 3 separators or the 3 commas. Now that can be easily written or it can be easily read by the observer, right? So this number is 65 crore 32 lakh 75,829. So this is how, friend, this type of numbers or the bigger numbers can be understand, or it can be easily written or it can be easily read by the observer. So this is the Indian system of numeration. But now we will see the international system of numeration. There is some difference in the numeration part, right? So what is the international system? As you can see, there is also a table I have prepared, and there is here we have seen that there are the 4 groups, but in the international system of numeration there is only the 3 groups. First group is ones group, 1000 group and million groups, right? And these groups we have written the places, right? So in the ones group there is 3 places, ones, tens and 100. And again in the 1000 group there is also the 3 places, 10,000, 10,000 and 100,000, right? In the million group there is again the 3 places, million, 10 million and 100 million, right? So the number is same, the number is same that I have taken into the Indian system of numeration. So why I have taken the same number? Because in the both the system we can write or we can understand or we can read the number in the different manner. So what is the international system? यहाँ पर मैंने आपके लिए लिखा हुआ है 653 million, right? 653 million 275,829. यहाँ पर मैंने 829 नीचे लिखा हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर हम 3 ग्रुप बना सकते हैं. एक तो 829 का यहाँ पर हम पहला ग्रुप बना देंगे. 829 का हम यहाँ पर फर्स्ट ग्रुप प्रिपेयर कर देंगे. दूसरा ग्रुप जो हम यहाँ पर बनाएंगे वो होगा हमारा, दैट इज 75,000, राइट? 275,000 ये हमारा दूसरा ग्रुप हो गया, राइट? 275,000 यहाँ पर ये दूसरा ग्रुप हो गया. और तीसरा जो ग्रुप होगा हमारा 653 million, right? So as you can see that we have prepared the 3 groups. So in this way here you can see all the places are filled by the digits. So we start from the left hand side. So that is the number 653, right? Simply we can read this number 653, but this 653 comes in the group of the millions. So after this number I will put the million, 653 million. 653 million, just like that, right? So it is very easy to read. And after that we come to this group. So here is the number 2, 7 and 5. So similarly I can read this number 275, but this number is present into the 1000 group. So after this number I will put the 1000, right? You can see that 275,000, right? At the last we can see that 829, right? So this is the ones group. So we can read 829, right? So friends, ये हमारा Indian system, international system of numeration है, and this is the Indian system of numeration. So you can compare both the tables, both the system on the screen, right? I am giving you the 1 minute, so you can draw it on your pen and paper, right? Friends, I hope you have drawn this table on your paper. Now in the international system, one thing we have forgot, that we have to put the commas. So what pattern we follow to put the comma? Just like if we write the number 65327589, this is our number. So how we can put the comma? First of all, we have to make the group of 3, right? Just like 829, this is the group of 3. Then 275, that is the group of 3, and 653, this is the group of 3. So after the 3 digit we put the comma, and again after the 3 digit we put the another comma. So in this way, on the pattern of 3, 3 and 3, right? Here we have followed the pattern of 3, 2, 2, 2, right? So just remember this pattern, and we can easily use the commas and the separator into the number. So just observe this table, and after that we will solve some examples. Dear students, I hope you have understood these tables. Right now we will compare the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So we can compare the places, so we can understand some concept. As you can see that Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration, it will be it is same up to the position of 10,000. Up to the 5 places of number, you can see that this table are very similar to each other. But from the lakh, right, Indian system of lakh and the 1000 system of the international system, right, you can see the difference, right? So in the Indian system we can say that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, right? And 10 lakh, that is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh, that is equal to 1 million, and 1 crore, that is equal to 10 million, right? And the 10 crore, that would be equal to 100 millions. So just remember and comparison of these tables, so we can easily write the number in both the systems, and we can understand the number as in the world, right? So I am just pausing this video, and by that I will continue the exercise 1.1 for you. So now friends, we will do the first question of exercise 1.1, right? So first question is given, fill in the blanks, right? So what the fill in the blanks? There are 5 fill in the blanks, and right now we have already understood the Indian and the international system of numeration. So on the basis of that, and on the basis of the idea of place value, we can easily solve these blanks, right? So first of all, the first is given 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, that would be equal to dash 10,000, right? So as we know Indian system and international system, so we can see that 1 lakh, that is in the Indian system, right? So 1 lakh को मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, तो Indian system of numeration के हिसाब से हम 1 lakh को इस तरीके से लिखते हैं. We put the comma after 30 and after the 20, so that would be 1 lakh, right? So in the international system, what we can call it as, that would be 10,000, right? अगर मैं यहाँ से कॉमा को हटा दूं, if I convert this number into the international system of numeration, so that would be 10,000. यहाँ पर जनरली हमको 10 एक्स्ट्रा लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर. अगर मान लो ये 10 नहीं होता तो ये जनरली कितना हो जाता? 100,000. अगर मैं ये 10 हटा दूं तो ये हो जाएगा 1000. तो ये कितना 1000 दिख रहा है आपको? दैट वुड बी 100,000. राइट। तो 100,000 यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी 10 हमको दिया हुआ है, दैट इज द 10,000। तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे 10, बिकॉज 10 इंटू 10 क्या हो जाता है, दैट इज 100। तो यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं जनरली ये नंबर जो है अगर इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के हिसाब से देखें तो हम इसको 100,000 बोल सकते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर मैंने 10 लिखा हुआ है, राइट। सो दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक। राइट नाउ in the next fill in the blanks we can see the 1 million, right। तो 1 million जो है that is the international system of numeration। so 1 million को मैं इस तरीके से लिखता हूँ। तो 1 million जनरली इन इंडियन सिस्टम कितना होता है, that is the 10 lakh, राइट। तो उसको मैं यहाँ पर 6 0 के साथ 1 के साथ लिख सकता हूँ। सो दिस इज द 1 million, राइट। तो अगर मैं इसको 100,000 यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है तो यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए, सो दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू 10,100,000। कितना होना चाहिए, दैट इज द 10,100,000। सो इन दिस वे हियर 10 विल कम ऑल्सो, राइट। यहाँ पर 10 आ जाएगा तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 10,100,000, क्योंकि 10,100 कितना हो जाता है जनरली, दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू 1,000, राइट। दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू 1,000। 10 और 100 का अगर मैं मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर दूं सो वो हो जाएगा 1,000 के बराबर। और ये नंबर जो आपको दिख रहा है ये 1,000 आपको दिख रहा है, तो जनरली ये क्या हो गया 10,100,000, right। now come to the third blank, that is the 1 crore, right। तो 1 crore जो है that is the Indian system of numeration, है ना, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल में करोड़ यूज नहीं करते हैं, मिलियन यूज करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हम करोड़ उसको हमने इस तरीके से लिख दिया, राइट। द पैटर्न इज 3 2 and 2। यहाँ पर हमने 3 डिजिट के बाद 2 डिजिट के बाद और 2 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा पुट किया है। तो अगर हम इसको 10 लाख में अगर कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वो कितना हो जाएगा, दैट इज द 10 लाख, राइट। कितना हो जाएगा 10 लाख, राइट। तो यहाँ पर भी जनरली क्या आ जाएगा 10 आ जाएगा। सो दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू 1 करोड़, राइट। नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ ब्लैंक, 1 करोड़ दैट इज इक्वल टू मिलियन, यानी 1 करोड़ को हमको मिलियन में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो एज वी नो दैट 1 करोड़ जो है हम उसको इस तरीके से लिखते हैं इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन में, लेकिन अगर हम उसको मिलियन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हमारा जो सेपरेटर है, जो कॉमा है, हम उसको 3 डिजिट के बाद पुट करेंगे, ईच एंड एवरी 3 डिजिट के बाद हम उसको पुट करेंगे। तो ये हमारा नंबर जनरली किसके बराबर हो जाएगा, दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू 10 मिलियन। ये किसके बराबर हो जाएगा, 10 मिलियन के बराबर हो जाएगा, राइट। अगर ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो फिर से एक बार इंटरनेशनल और इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन आप फिर से ऑब्जर्व करें तो ये इजीली आपको समझ में आएगा। नाउ वी कैन से दैट 1 मिलियन दैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच लैख। तो वी नो दैट 1 मिलियन जो है वो 10 लाख के बराबर होता है। तो 1 मिलियन को अगर मैं लिखूंगा तो इस तरीके से लिखूंगा, राइट। दैट इज द इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन। लेकिन अगर मैं यहाँ से कॉमा हटा दूं, ठीक है, तो कॉमा जो है इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज लैख दैट इज द इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ द न्यूमरेशन। तो ये जनरली कितना हो जाएगा, दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू 10 लाख। Right friends, so I hope the first question you have done and you can easily understand this first question. You have to revise this question and we will also see the another question of exercise 1.1 in the next interactive session of the video lecture. Right friends, so thank you very much for today. Have a nice day.